Hello and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's been a while since I made a video on YouTube, but today I'm back again with yet another video. Today's video I'm bringing an update on Coinryze trading platform, and I'm going to make a live video up for you to see that the platform is still paying. Before we begin, know that I'm not your financial advisor, therefore you need to do your research on the platform before you actually go in and deposit any amount in there. For that said, let's get started. I've already made some videos on how to go about Coinryze platform, so I'll be leaving the video links in the description. You can watch the previous videos to get to understand how Coinryze platform really works. But in today's session, we are making a live withdrawal. So in order to withdraw from the platform, what I need to do is go ahead and tap on this button called withdraw. But before then, you log into your account and then click on home page. This is the interface you see. Then you go ahead and tap on assets. And once you click on asset from below, you have to go ahead and tap on withdraw. And once you click on withdraw, this is the current amount I have in here that I can draw. So basically, you have an option to decide to withdraw via currencies, and you choose from these currencies, or you can go in for digital asset. That's what I'm going to go in for. I want to withdraw via USDT, so I'll select USDT. So I'll select USDT. I'll input in here the amount to withdraw, which is $12, and there's going to be a transaction fee of $1 from the platform. My account is going to be credited with an amount of what? 11 USDT. I scroll down, they're asking me to provide my wallet address. So I have to go into my balance account. Okay, so any of the crypto wallets that we have, then go ahead and get your wallet address. So I'm going to head on to my balance and I get this wallet. This is my balance account in here. So what I need to do is to locate and then tap on deposit from your balance account. So here that's deposit, but in here I'm going to go ahead and tap on deposit. And once I tap on deposit, I have an option to go through P2P or deposit crypto. So over here, I want to send crypto to my account. So I'm going to tap on send crypto to your finance account. Let's tap on that. And once you do that, it will ask you to choose a coin you're working with. For my case, I'm working with USDT. So I'm going to search for USDT from the list. So search for USDT and then we select USDT. Then you're asking for networks. I'm going to choose my network. And the network is supposed to be Tron USDT. So let's choose the network. That is TRS, Tron TRC20 is the network. And then weight and address will be given, and that is the address. So I'm just go ahead and copy my wallet address. So that's my wallet address. So once I have the address, I go back to Coinryze platform. Then input here the wallet address that I've copied, but you just place it. Then click on submit. So once I click on submit, a verification code will be sent to my Coinryze email. So during my sign up on Coinryze, an email that I provided, I have to go and check that particular email for the code that they have actually sent to me. So I'm actually checking to get the code. So I still haven't received the code yet. So let me cancel and then submit once again. Alright, so there's one more thing that we need to do. So over here, before you proceed, you have to first click on send button right in here. So we're going to go ahead and click on submit, and after clicking on submit, go ahead and tap on send, and then you check your email address. So that's my email address. So they're asking me to check this particular email address for the code. So I'm going to check my email for the code. So I've gotten the code. So the code they're asking me to provide here is 548166, and then I'm going to click on confirm. And no time is gone, so that is it. So they are saying that I have withdrawn an amount of $12, and then I'm going to be receiving an amount of what, $11, and then pending review. So once it's approved, my account will be credited. So I can just go ahead and click complete, and then I'll wait for the transaction to be credited to my account. So if I go back and check my account balance, you realize that I don't have any amount in here. So I just have to wait for the withdrawal to take effect. So we're going to wait to see whether the withdrawal is credited or not. If I come back and click on asset records, you can see that it's under our pending review. So I'm going to pause the video and come back again once I receive the money in my wallet. So now after waiting for a while, let's refresh the page to see whether we have received money or not. So you can see now we go back to the asset once again. Sorry, you go to asset details. So you can see that now it says payment successful. So basically, it means that we have actually received money. So we're going to go back to our Binance account to verify whether we have successfully received this amount or not. So now let's go back to our Binance here. So now if you scroll down a bit, what we're going to do is we can decide to click on this button, as you can see from here, this logo button. Then we scroll down, then we click on assets. And then you can see that I've actually received this amount in here. So if I scroll down a bit, you can see the transactions that has occurred here. So let's go ahead and tap on this. So let's scroll down, you can see from how okay. So now you can see here is a deposit that will happen today. So you can see the date it happened just today 6, and then that is it. So it tells us that it has completed successfully. So this is to tell you that I've successfully received this amount from Coinryze platform. So that is basically how you can go on Coinryze at form. As I stated earlier, I'm going to leave some videos of the previous videos that I've already made on this particular platform so that you spend time to watch. If you have any questions, you can leave in the description and I'll be available to attend to you. Until then, see you in the next video.